Hello everyone, this is Anand Prabhudev. Once again, we are here to with the new topic. So today we're going to discuss about the probiotics and allergy. First of all, let's have a small introduction about the allergy. Allergy is nothing but the adverse immune reaction due to the molecule called allergen. It is one type of protein in our environment which is normally harmless to the non-allergic person, but if suppose person is highly sensitive to the some allergens will cause severe damages to the tissue as well as the human body. Okay, types of allergy. There are so many types of allergy, but whatever the main, those are listed here. Classified according to symptoms they produce, that is skin, nose and lungs etc. causes allergies. Okay, like skin allergy is there, food allergy is there, allergen inhalation is there, allergy to the medicine is there. Okay, risk factor of allergy, family history of allergy. Allergy are hereditary, which means there is a genetic component to the most allergic and passed from parent to the children. Exposure to the allergen at the certain times when the body defenses are lowered or weakened, such as after viral infection or during pregnancy, seems to be contribute to the development of such kind of allergen. Allergen. Allergen is nothing but the substance which causing allergic disease in the sensitive host. These allergens enter into the body by various means, through the skin also, through the injection, oral injection, or nose and lungs. Okay. Symptoms of allergy. So, skin allergy symptoms include like itching is there, reddening is there, some peeling of skin is there. Then, if suppose is there nose allergy, allergic rhinitis is characterized by the congestion, itching, discharge from the nose, watery eyes. Then asthma include coughing, chest tightness, shortness of breath. Food allergy include the dizziness is there, fainting is there, abdominal pain is there, vomiting, diarrhea is anaphylactic shocks is there. Sometimes hives will be there. So this thing is comes under the symptoms of the allergy. Treatment. What are the best treatment for the allergy? We have to avoid or environmental control. Avoid food that have caused allergic reaction. Removing the pet from the home. Dust should be removed from the surface of the pillow cover and the bed frame by vacuuming them weekly. Okay, pharmacological management allergy medication. In the food allergy, injection of adrenaline and antihistamine reduces the effects of the allergic reaction by blocking histamine, and which is reduce the nasal congestion and bronchitis, open the airways. Allergen immunotherapy. Allergen immunotherapy is actually the process which is given gradually to increase the dose of allergen to the patient. Function of the food. Currently, there is a huge interest in the use of food which may be exert a positive functional effect on our health. Two of these functional foods are known as probiotics as well as the prebiotics, both which have a positive effect on good bacteria that reside in our digestive system, also known as our gut microflora. Yoga. You have to do yoga to increase the immune system. Next point is probiotics. Probiotics, we can say it is a friendly microflora or microbacteria which have been given to a patient or human health, to the human in the form of uh, milk or some dairy product or in the form of capsule too. A probiotics may be defined as a preparation or product containing viable defined microorganism in sufficient numbers which alter the microflora of the host intestine and consuming by that exert beneficial health effect to the host. Okay, so for such as like lactobacillus is there, phibidobacterium is there, etc. Probiotics and treatment of the disease. Probiotics have been found to act as alternative medicine for the number of diseases such as lactose intolerance is there, in then diarrhea is there, constipation is there, inflammatory disease is there, respiratory disease is there, or some kind of allergy is there. So this is for this severe diseases the probiotics act as a beneficial treatment. What is the probiotic role in the allergy? Lactobacillus species have been reported to treat allergy when administered to the breastfeeding milk of the infant with the dermatitis due to allergic to the milk. So this is what the one example is there. Consumption of yogurt will reduce the symptoms of nasal allergy among the voluntary who consume yogurt than the control group. How probiotics works prevent allergy? Probiotic act in the different ways, such as degradation, structural modification of internal antigens, normalization of the properties of indigenous microbiota, then regulation of secretion of inflammatory mediators and promoting development of immune system, prevents food allergy by promoting endogenous barrier mechanism, elevating intestinal inflammation. So these are the ways that helps probiotics to prevent the allergies. So this is what the mechanism, this is what the intestinal part where the probiotic stacks mostly act on. Okay, it increases the good microorganism in the body, indirectly affect on the allergy. Future direction. As point of future perspectives, probiotics will have more truly clarified mechanism to either control specific physiological process in the evolution of allergic disease or in their dietary management. The modern view of probiotic therapy is based on specific effect of clearly defined strain. So this is all about the allergy and the probiotics. Thank you so much.